Thank you, sir, and I thank the honourable member for that question. So currently, at the moment, the CT scan services in Lautoka Hospital is outsourced to Zen's Medical Center, and from August 2021 to February 2022, we had referred 686 patients for CT scan. And this has happened because, as I've alluded to previously in Parliament, Honourable Speaker, was that the CT scan in Lautoka is not functioning, and we are in the process of replacing it with a $1.5 million CT scan, top of the range, which is coming through a grant from Japan. This is in addition to the CT scans that we are also getting to CWM and also to Lautoka Hospital that are going through the tender process. Honourable Speaker, we've also, ASPEN has committed to putting in a temporary CT scan in May this year. That will carry us through to when the CT scan from Japan arrives in August. But I want to make a point at this juncture that doing a CT scan is not a simple decision to do, because with a CT scan, Honourable Speaker, it's like giving up to 400 chest X-rays. If you do a chest X-ray CT scan, it's equivalent to doing up to 400 chest X-rays. The amount of radiation that a CT scan gives, and the International Atomic Energy and also the director at AIMS have indicated that in young people it is important to make the right decisions about CT scan, because giving them CT scans and frequency CT scans has been shown to have a increased risk of cancer because of radiation later on in life. Mr. Speaker, we've also recently repaired, as of last year, the radiology department at Lautoka Hospital to a tune of 1.5 million. Including in that is that we've installed a 302,295,089 cents floor-mounted Shimachu digital X-ray, which is top of the range. So this X-ray, which is a digital X-ray, also gives really good images in which some of the patients that would actually get a CT scan before would not, because this top of the range X-ray machine does. We've also purchased ultrasound scans, a HS79A Samsung Medicine quality scan costing $267,502. And this actually also supports the use of imaging in this rather than specifically to CT scan. Honourable Speaker, there are also cases that not necessarily require a CT scan, and they come directly and have an MRI. Case in point is a case this week that last week or a few weeks before had an MRI, had a head tumor, and was actually being operated with our neurosurgeons using their new state-of-the-art 672,000 operating digital microscope that government had also procured. So, Honourable Speaker, we, in conclusion, I would like to say that at the moment we have the avenues to be able to provide other imaging apart from CT scan, which is outsourced to Zen, which is the digital general mounted X-ray and the digital X-rays that we have, and also the sophisticated ultrasound machine that we are using. Thank you, Honourable Speaker.